Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Miracurl, the world's first fully automatic professional curl machine, is once again raising the bar on professional styling technology and performance. Introduced in 2013, this revolutionary professional styling tool immediately became a beauty industry sensation. Over 1 million stylists worldwide are using and loving it. And now, Miracurl performance and results are even better. The innovation never stops at Babyliss Pro. Introducing Miracurl Steam Tech for longer-lasting, more defined curls with superior shine and smoothness. Perfect curls, consistently, effortlessly. The most advanced heating system available, featuring heaters linked in series, creates a powerful surround heat system for fast heat up and consistent, even heat. As always, you control time, temperature, and curl direction to create any type of curl on any type of hair. But now you can add steam for superior results. Switch on the steam function, choose the settings you want, and you're ready to curl. This exclusive combination of features plus the MaxLife Pro brushless motor deliver precision curling control for one perfect curl after another on just about any hair length. 20% higher curl definition, 50% better curl formation, 24-hour hold, longer lasting curls, tighter curls, subtle curls, and alternating, more natural, undone looking curls. Fast, easy, and fabulous. A limitless variety of shiny, smooth styles that last and last. Miracurl Steam Tech. Shinier, smoother, longer-lasting, higher definition curls. Professional, perfect, every time.